Hello everyone, this is a quick review of the Sametop Chest Mount harness version 2.0. In the box you will find a complete manual in 4 languages: English, Japanese, German and French. It also has the customer service email and website, and they say they will respond within 48 hours. The chest mount feels very comfortable with padded and breathable materials. It is fully adjustable to fit different body types. It also ships with one GoPro type hook buckle and a GoPro type thumb screw. Here I'm trying to mount my DJI Pocket 1 using a case that has a GoPro mount. Then I connect the case to the J-hook buckle and tighten it with the thumb screw. Then slide the J-hook buckle into the slot. As you can see here, I didn't tighten the belt, but it didn't feel very loose. It feels very stable and very comfortable. To remove, you just press down on the buckle to unlock. That's it. If you have a GoPro or a similar type of camera and need a chest mount, I highly recommend this.